Yeah. One more again. One, two. More again. Look away now. Look away. Hey guys, so we are at Tandydoll Beauty Institute right now, as you can see. Yeah. Glory Business Center. So I'm doing a shoot for Tandy. Yeah, our institute for beauty and cosmetic. Yeah. Hey guys, bless upon yourself again and welcome back to my channel. I don't know your boy, Dex Media. And today we are doing a different vlog. We don't know, so we're in Kingston. And I'm at Tandydoll Beauty Institute. You understand? They specialize in makeup and all beauty. You understand? Beauty then deal with. Nothing different but beauty. So I hope you will enjoy the vlog today. And remember, if you want to leave a subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And leave a comment. And big up to everybody who stay tuned. And always support Dex Media. Yeah man, bless up. This is a lovely place, people. Lovely place. Mangala drop and something. Nice mango trees. When I joke to the security tell me which path walk, I'm not even remember which path walk. I go ask the different security then also. Which path. Yeah, general. Where I walk for find Tandy Institute. So walk the side door and go up. Alright, respect. I not miss it this time, you know, people. Nah, miss it this time when I see it. I want to get it right now. Yeah, man. Yeah, people, so it look like I need to go up the stairs and go all the way around. Morning. Yeah, guys, I've been to this place once. Yeah. But sometimes it's tripping and sometimes I not even remember. So I just that sometime. So as you can see, yeah, I have to climb the stairs here and go up. So basically, as you can see, I'm sure so I need to go through one of them doors here. I'm not quite remember which one of the door them. So I'm gonna do my knock still. My knock first. And then now we know. Wrong door that. Try that one. Hello? Yeah, so from we can go on with. Alright. So guys, we finally reach. Good morning. How you guys doing? Remember me? Yeah man, I miss you man, the photographer. Alright. Yeah guys, as you can see, I finally reached the location. I leave my bag right here, so as you can see. Equipment right. So basically always good for early than late. So I don't go on. Yeah guys, so basically we just order one smoothie and we get it. What you want to put inside of the smoothie here, please?
Lots of good stuff: granola, flaxseed, chia seed, oats, honey, all good stuff.
All good stuff for men.
For me.
Alright. Yeah, one more again. One, two. One more again. Look away now. Look away.
Look at the next side. No, let me see that. Let me see that.
Nice one. Yeah, first one. It looks big. Yeah, you're your face does. Yeah. So, you want to take some more pull out?
Yeah,
Move this. Get your waistline. Really? Hey guys, so we're still there at Tandydoll Beauty Institute, as you can see. Alright, so this is one of the classrooms. Another classroom? Okay. This is a spa. Hello. Kind of problem going on YouTube? Or that's good? I can record? That's good. Alright, so this is the spa area. Okay, and you were the person that did it. Alright. Yeah man, bless up yourself here. Alright.
So you can send your items and pay for the shelf per week. As you can see, today is Wednesday.
Oh, so you say you rent the shelf. So if me have a product selling, so I can just put it here and pay for the shelf. Okay, that's nice.
And you know, especially because
Go on now.
it is very expensive to rent an entire space, so you can just rent the shelf, and the shelf renting is affordable, like 2,000-3,000 per week, and it's a guarantee that more than 30 new faces come through on a daily basis, different from the students. So
Okay, that's not bad.
it works.
Okay. I remember so this are the entrance, you know, people. So you have to pass there. There. Tandydoll Beauty Institute. Go outside now? Right there? Yeah guys. So basically what she was saying a while ago is that they rent the shelf. So basically you can come with an item and rent the shelf. And you can't lose. Because she said the shelf they normally stock. And as you can see, no only things in the shelf right now. So it's a good look man, is it? Yeah man. And you can't lose. Alright.
So guys, I'm All Things Anna's on YouTube. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Turn your post notification bell on so that you'll be notified whenever he or me do post another video. Thanks for watching.
Yeah guys.
Bye.
Yeah man, bless up on yourself. Yeah man, do your right thing and done. Yeah guys, so right now I'm taking my leave. I complete the photo shoot season. So I'm going back to Portland now. Yeah man, big up on yourself. And thanks again for watching the video. And who not subscribe it, remember to subscribe now man, is it? Yeah man, Dex Media outside.